I'm running the cannon. Here we go, baby. Ow! Look at me go. Getting it washed. Washing a little baby sweeper with my cannon. And I can hone in. Look at that. Ooh, those blades are dirty. Get her all rinsed off. Look at this, baby. Woo! Get it, girl. Oh, yeah. Cleaning up today. I'm doing it. I'm running the cannon. Oh, I know how to fan her out. I know how to bring her in. Clean those rims off. Let's get those rims cleaned off. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Boy, this would have been nice to have with the log truck, wouldn't it? Cleaning the log trucks with this. Oh my goodness. Life would have been awesome. Stay dry. We put her in drive and move forward a little here. Look at that. Make sure we keep careful for our electronics and don't hose Owen down.